Hello again guys, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside soldering iron set model PLBS 30B2. Here we have some specs including accessories inside. Of course 3 years warranty from Lidl. Lidl gives 3 years to all his tools. That's for, doesn't have to say it every time. And let's see what we have inside, because this is an unboxing, yeah. Oh. Yes, like it. Like the plastic in the case, how they put it all inside. Very nice. Let's take it out and see the accessories. Okay, let's start from the manual. This is the manual. If you want to read it, of course, again, it's your choice. Next, we're going to find the base. With those two, you can grab wherever you need and glue it. Very stable, with no problem. This is for handling your soldering. It goes okay right here. Nice. And then just like that, you have this beautiful soldering iron. This is the unit. It goes into your power supply, power wallet. We have the solder. And here we have some of the pre-assembled tips. Already we have one assembled in the unit. And we have a sponge inside, this yellow. Well, that was all guys. Next video right in the corner, you will see how it works, this lovely tool. And definitely I will make a comparison to older models, because I do have another tool like that, and I have with batteries and etc, etc. I can't recall how many soldering iron I'm reviewing and tested. Well guys, thank you again for watching this lovely unboxing. Please hit the notification bell, because don't forget, Andrew is buying these tools for you, that you don't have to buy it, and I'm testing and I'm saying my opinion. Well, I love Parkside tools, and I think they are very good manufactured and they're working very nice. And of course, value of money, that's very important for us. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.